The year is 2025. News has just broken. The United States is testing a new kind of weapon. These are fighter drones piloted by artificial intelligence. This is not a movie. This is real. It marks a profound shift in air combat. A new chapter in warfare is beginning. The skies will never be the same again. The world is now paying close attention. This development was long predicted by some. Others thought it was still far away. But technology moves faster than we think. AI is rapidly advancing in many fields. Now it is entering the world of fighter jets. This means machines can fight in the air. They can make their own combat decisions. The implications of this are huge. It could reshape military power balances. So, what exactly are AI-piloted fighter drones? Imagine a fighter jet, fast and powerful. Now, remove the human pilot from the cockpit. Instead, an advanced AI system is in control. This AI makes the decisions. It flies the plane. It can engage targets. It can fight. These are not simple remote-controlled aircraft. They are autonomous fighting machines. How do these AI drones operate? They are packed with sophisticated sensors. Radar, cameras, and other systems gather data. This data paints a picture of the world around them. The AI brain processes this information incredibly fast. It analyzes threats. It identifies targets. It then decides the best course of action. It controls flight, navigation, and weapon systems. The key difference is true autonomy. Older drones needed a human operator. That operator made the critical choices. These new AI drones are different. The AI itself is designed to think. It can adapt to changing battle situations. It can learn from its experiences in simulations. This makes them far more capable and independent. The AI systems are complex learning algorithms. They can perform aerial combat maneuvers. Why is the United States investing so heavily? The primary reason is to maintain a military edge. Nations always seek advantages in defense. AI-piloted fighter drones offer new capabilities. They could change how air power is used. This is seen as a vital strategic investment. It is about ensuring national security and projecting power in a changing world. The global landscape is also a driver. Other countries are not standing still. Nations like China and Russia are also developing AI. They are working on their own advanced military tech. The US aims to stay ahead in this field. It is a new kind of technological competition. Some call it an AI arms race. No major power wants to be left behind. These AI drones offer practical benefits too. They can undertake extremely dangerous missions where risking a human pilot is too high. Think of flying deep into enemy airspace, or operating in heavily defended zones. AI drones can do these jobs. This can save the lives of human pilots. Protecting service members is a key goal. Cost and efficiency are also factors. Building and maintaining modern fighter jets is expensive. Training elite human pilots costs millions. What are the potential advantages of AI pilots? One major benefit is reaction speed. AI systems can process information incredibly quickly, much faster than a human brain can manage. In a dogfight, milliseconds can mean life or death. An AI pilot can react almost instantly. This provides a significant combat advantage. It can outthink and outmaneuver human opponents. AI pilots are not limited by human physiology. Humans can only withstand certain G-forces. High G-forces can cause blackouts or injury. AI drones do not have these physical constraints. They can perform extreme maneuvers. Turns and accelerations impossible for human pilots. This allows for new aerial tactics. It expands the envelope of what's possible in flight. Enhanced accuracy is another potential gain. AI can use its sensors for precise targeting. It can calculate trajectories with great skill. This could lead to more effective strikes. It might also help reduce collateral damage by ensuring weapons hit only intended targets. This is a stated goal of such systems. Precision is a key aim in modern warfare. The most significant advantage is reduced human risk. When an AI drone is shot down, no human pilot dies. Section 5, Turbulence Ahead. Technical and reliability hurdles. Despite the promise, there are major hurdles. AI technology is powerful but not perfect. It is still under constant development. AI systems can make unexpected mistakes. The software can have bugs or flaws. These errors could have serious consequences, especially in a high-stakes combat environment. What if the AI misidentifies a target? Technical reliability is a paramount concern. A fighter drone must operate flawlessly. It must work under extreme stress amidst electronic warfare and physical damage. If a system fails, the drone could crash, or it could fail its mission objective. Ensuring this level of robustness is hard. It requires immense testing and validation. Real-world combat is messy and unpredictable. AI is often trained on clean, structured data, but the battlefield is chaotic and confusing. Sensors can be fooled by smoke or weather. Enemies will try to deceive the AI. Can the AI adapt to truly novel situations? Section 6. Digital ghosts, security risks, and cyber threats. AI-piloted fighter drones face new kinds of threats. These are not just missiles or enemy aircraft. They are vulnerable to cyber attacks. Sophisticated hackers could try to take control. Imagine an enemy turning your drone against you, or feeding it false sensor data. This could lead it to make disastrous decisions. The digital domain is a new battlefront. Secure communication links are therefore vital. The drone might need to send or receive data. These links can be targeted by jamming. This could cut off the drone from its support. Spoofing is another risk in this area. An enemy could send fake signals. These signals could trick the drone's navigation or make it believe it is somewhere else. Protecting the AI's core software is crucial. This software is the brain of the drone. If an adversary could steal this code, they could analyze it to find weaknesses. They could develop countermeasures against it, or worse, they could copy the technology. Intellectual property theft is a major concern. Espionage in the digital age is rampant. Cybersecurity for these AI systems must be top tier. Section 7. The moral compass, ethical dilemmas in autonomous warfare. The rise of AI drones brings profound ethical questions. If an AI drone makes a mistake in combat, for example, if it harms civilians, who is responsible for that action? Is it the programmer who wrote the code? Is it the commander who deployed the drone? Or is it the machine itself? Accountability becomes very complex with AI. Many people are deeply troubled by this. The idea of machines making life or death decisions without direct human control at that moment. This is a serious moral concern for society. Should an algorithm decide who lives and who dies? This question sparks intense debate worldwide. There are fears of killer robots and losing meaningful human control over force. Defining and programming rules of engagement for AI is an incredibly difficult challenge. How do you translate complex human ethics? How do you code morality into a machine? Laws of war are often nuanced. Section 8. Horizon Scan, Future of AI in Military and Global Dialogue. AI-piloted fighter drones are just the start. This technology will transform military affairs. We will likely see more autonomous systems on land, at sea, in the air, and in space. The character of warfare is changing rapidly. This is a new revolution in military technology. It is comparable to the invention of gunpowder or the development of nuclear weapons. There is a real risk of an AI arms race. As one nation develops these capabilities, other nations will feel compelled to follow. They will develop their own AI weapons. This could lead to increased global instability. A world with many autonomous weapon systems might make conflicts more likely or escalate them faster than before. International discussions and treaties may be needed to regulate the development and use of AI weapons, similar to controls on chemical or nuclear arms. This would require global cooperation. Finding common ground will be difficult. Different nations have different views, but the potential dangers are very real. Dialogue is essential to manage these risks. We must address these profound issues now.